Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a footwork technique clip. This time we're going to teach you how to do lock steps. Now, a lock step, in case you've never met one, is where you take a step. The next step, instead of going either side, actually locks at the ankles, hence lock step, and the transfer of the weight allows the front leg to move out again. Or going backwards, exactly the same idea, coming in, transfer of weight, and the next step happens. So first off, we need to do a few of these on our own so we can get a feel for what they're all like. Going forwards generally is thought to be easier, so we're going to step forwards on the left, lock the ankles behind so as tight as you can, transfer the weight onto the back foot and step forwards. Now step forwards onto the right. This time we lock the ankle at the left ankle at the back, nice and tight, transfer a weight and step out with the right. That's the easy two. The slightly trickier two, we step back on the left. We're going to cross over, but we're going to put our toes down roughly level with the ball of our foot that's already on the floor. The transfer of weight pushes the other leg out and into the next step. Step back on the right. Again, toes down, roughly equal to the ball of the foot. Transferring the weight, putting the heel down, pushes the other leg out and step. So as I say, a little bit trickier backwards. Let's practice that a couple of times. So we'll go forwards and back twice. So we're going to go step, lock, step, and a step, lock, step. Backwards. Step, lock, step, and a step, lock, step. One more time. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, and a step, lock, step. Okay, now we've got an idea of what we're doing with our feet. Now we're going to try and lead it. So we're going to go into a hold. You could do this in any hold. The hold we're going to use is just one of the strongest ways of leading our partner. So guy's right hand, ladies shoulder blade, ladies into the V where the shoulder muscles join the arm muscles, and ballroom grip on the left hand side. So guy's thumb, ladies thumb gap. From here, what we're going to do, shift the weight a fraction to the right. We're going to lead a step forwards, guys left, back obviously for the ladies right. There's one. Guys, we're also going to move a fraction out of the side to the left, not very far. What we're going to do now is we're going to lead the lock. Now, if I were to just push, I'd get a step straight through. If I was trying to rotate to the right, I'd get a step across. I'm kind of going between the two, so I need to lead through, directly through the lady's other leg on the right hand side of my frame, and I need to use the left hand side to hold the lady from rotating. So I'm effectively collapsing the right side of my frame to lead whilst holding the left side strong to stop rotation. So we're in position, pushing in with the right and holding rotation with the left, and then we just push straight to get the step. Same thing the other side. Again, I'm going to go slightly over to the right. I'm going to lock behind, and this time I hold from rotation with the right side whilst leading the lock with the left side. And step out. Again, we can go backwards. So from here, we can go step. Guys, we're going to cross in front. We're going to lead the lady in with the right and hold rotation with the left for step. And then it's just move through. One more time. Step, lead into the lock with the left side and hold the lady from rotating with the right, and step out. Okay, we'll speed that up and see how we go. It's going to go step, lock, step, step, lock, step. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, and a step, lock, step, step, lock, step. And that's it. You've basically only got 4 steps. They can be done lots of different ways. 2 different going back, 2 different going forwards. Play with it, practice it, and you'll find they work really, really well for you. It's a nice way of kind of fancying up a lot of simple walking moves. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. We'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.